What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. It has been a while. Today we're gonna change these brakes out. Daily driving a Subaru comes with consequences. As I've learned, do not be me. I'll give you guys an example as soon as I get in the car and we get rolling, because she's not doing so well, guys. I'm a mechanic as well, so it is kind of embarrassing that I've actually let it go this far. But let me show you guys right now. Man, those brakes are down to the teeth, man. I got brand new brake pads I just picked up. Ceramic brake pads from O'Reilly's. Brake Best Select Premium. I'm gonna focus that in for you guys. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and install these bad boys. I got a set for both of my wheels in the rear with the help of Rob. Got my buddy Tybin pulling up too. Feels good to be back, man.
What's going on, man?
You can't act too gangster in my videos, dude.
I ain't gangster.
There you are, look, you got your pants sagging, you smoking Newports.
I need a belt. That's it. I just need the belt, you know.
Oh, stay tuned for that too, because we're about to put the K-Series back in there. If you guys have not seen David's K-Swap, this guy actually purchased it from him. And we're throwing it in a black SIEG hatchback. Nice. Stay tuned for that. We got tons of content coming. And right now, I'm filling you guys in. I am currently 10.5 hours away from home. But yeah, we're about to head back to his house. I'm gonna give you guys an in-depth how to change brake pads and a rotor on the Subaru. Let's go. All right, boys, sorry I did not get to recording. I got my boy Rob right here. You can barely see him. My boy Ty came and pulled up. Basically, to do this, just pull the fucking wheel off, man. It got too dark, and really, we couldn't really get any good film, but we got this clutch light that I actually didn't think was gonna be that good on camera until now. We got both rotors off now. We're about to go get those resurfaced. Oh yeah, go check this out. Check this out, boys. This is the other rotor that was eaten up. They seen the rotor already. I'm about to show them the brake pad too. Look at that, boys. That's called pure neglect, ignorance, and laziness right there, guys. That's a prime example. Do not be like me. These are the brake pads right here on the rear left. Inboard, outboard brake pads. Destroyed. Actually, inboard is fine. Shit's fine, but this one right here, we've seen better days. You know what I'm saying? Alright, now we're about to run O'Reilly's, man. We're gonna go O'Reilly's resurface, and then I'm gonna record the install though. I forgot to record during the removal, so fuck it. Alright, y'all, we just got the rotors back from O'Reilly's, got them resurfaced. Now we're gonna reinstall, right, with the help of Rob right here, my handy dandy schmancy handyman right here. He's gonna throw the rotors back on for you guys. I'm gonna throw you guys on the tripod and walk you guys through the installation process. So let's knock this bad boy out. We're gonna go ahead and lay down cardboard down here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray brake cleaner on the rotor. Gotta clean all this on the inside, clean the drum. We're gonna clean the boot too on the caliper. Clean the rotor, boys. DOT O'Reilly's brake cleaner. That's what you need. Clean the springs, clean the pads. Clean this boot too. Make sure you guys get this boot. Hey, grab that camera, Rob. That camera, make sure they see all this, man. Make sure they get the action, you know what I'm saying? Let them see all that. Clean the boot up a little bit, just like that. And then prior to installation, actually, I'm gonna grab one of the old pads. We're gonna put it right there, put the C-clamp on that and compress it back down. Now we're gonna install the caliper housing back on. So right now we're putting the housing back on. There's 2 bolts on the back side of this. 1, 2. You're gonna wanna put these back on, install that bad boy. And then the next step is you're gonna slide the calipers on with the new pads that you got. Now the new brake pads I went with are these Brake Select Best brake select. The premium edition, these are ceramic. Right there. Oh, look at those fresh babies. They also came with these new retaining clips. Don't forget to take off the old retaining clips on the housing. Put these bad boys back on. Right there. Go ahead, Robbie. Do your thing. We got the two retaining clips off. Right here. Boom. Now, get your two new ones. Right down here. Then we're gonna pop these bad boys back in. See the two bolts, like me putting two bolts in. My hands are tied, and you resonate. All right, got the two bolts in the back end. Slide your new brake pads on. What you do is when you have these, one side is going to be on the inboard, and that's the side with this arm, and this is going to be the outboard one. Fit them bad boys right here. When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. Oh, that is it. We are done with this side. Oh yeah. Yep. And there you go, guys. The right hand side is completely finished. We got the caliper back on. Both the brake pads are in place. Everything's torqued and tightened down. Line is back on. Alright guys, so now we're on the left side. We got the right side all in, torqued down, ready to ride. Moving to the left. Same process on the left side, so I won't go into too much detail on this side. I'm going to throw you guys on the tripod, and then we're going to speed lapse this real fast, and then we're going to break in the brakes. So let's do this. I didn't get too into detail. I don't think we caught it on camera, but I'm going to do it again for you guys on this side. When you take off the caliper, you have to retract the pistons. Slap the back plate, put it in just like how you're supposed to have it. Back plate on that piston, use a C-clamp. We love you, Jimmy. You want to be careful not to rip this rubber boot down here, because you have bad issues if you do that. And then before, actually, while you're retracting this, how does that look? You can zoom in too.
You better.
Zoom in. This right here, see how I'm retracting that piston with that C-clamp? Yeah. Oh yeah. Actually, and up there in the hood, you want to pop your hood and crack the brake reservoir as well. Subaru WRX, boys, vape juice. What we do. Now that they're fully contract, go ahead and pop your C-clamp off. Boom, boom. Now piston is retracted. Now we can start cleaning everything. the following day, we completed up the install. I did run into a major issue. As I was tightening the floating pin bolt on the sliding part of the caliper, I snapped the bolt. Luckily, Rob had a whole bunch of dirt bikes laying around. We grabbed the bolt off of there that works. I screwed it in, and we went on the test drove yesterday. I didn't record that because obviously light was not a factor that I had yesterday. Today I do. And as I'm rolling right now, no screeching brakes. My brake pad was down to the metal. It was straight neglect. I mean, being that my car is only at 47,000 miles and being that it is a rear brake pad, we found out the issue. The caliper wasn't retracting, the piston was not retracting when I was letting off the brake, so that outboard caliper was just sliding and riding on that rotor, just grinding it down. But I cleaned it all up, re-greased the floating pins, and then now we should be all good and back in action. I drove it yesterday, the brakes performed just fine. I did a soft brake, I did a hard brake. We did all that. I can do another demonstration for you right now. But the camera is not on a mount, and I'm kind of working with what I got because this is bullshit. I don't have my car mount with me no more. I've just moved. My life is a mess right now, guys, so I apologize for the shitty quality of the video that's about to be posted. I'm trying. But as you see right now, all you hear, you don't hear nothing. No brake screeching. I'm loving it. My brakes used to screech with me not even being on the brake. That's how I knew that caliper wasn't retracting that brake pad, because it was just riding. Got it resurfaced for 30 bucks on both sides. Got a whole new set in the rear. Ceramic brake pads I got from O'Reilly's. And oh yeah. And my mouth's probably blue from the pre-workout because I'm heading to the gym right now. Everything works fine. I tried to readjust the e-brake actually, and I actually adjusted that star wheel the wrong way, so I got to readjust that too. Unfortunately, like I said, I didn't record too much for you guys because, oh bullshit, man. I had a rough night, really. Ran into that, when I snapped that bolt, I felt like my life ended. I was like, oh my goodness. But we're all back in action. Subaru feels amazing now. I am ready to ride. I'm gonna go ahead and, fuck, not being a stick shift, I gotta change gears too. Hold on, I'm holding the camera with one hand. Let me see if I can do this. There we go. Woo! Woo! I still love this car, man. Oh my goodness. All right, this is a 40 brake. 40 brake. No noise, no screeching. Brand new, resurfaced, refurbished rotors. Not brand new. But yeah, there it is. The channel is gonna go through a whole new change, boys. Coming soon. I got a plan coming up. It might be sad news for you guys. It is awesome, but it's very good news for me personally, because I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to spoil it whatsoever. But I appreciate you guys checking it out. Sorry for the delay on videos because a lot of things going on in my life right now. But hey, shout out to you guys. Hit that like button for me, man. Hit that red button for the subscribe. And then I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace out.